Okay, so part 3, which is subtracting mixed numbers, but some of the problems kind of like trip the kids up, and they do something like this, which I think is really sneaky and really unfair, but it gets all of the kids thinking, and it'll probably get you thinking too. What if you have a number like 4, and you want to take away, we're going to keep this simple, 2 1/4. Ruh-roh. I told the kids, you draw a wall, you separate your whole numbers from your fractional units. Well, guess what? They tricked the kids. There's nothing here. How are you going to do that? Same way I showed you in the first video. You have to understand that 4, I'm using a denominator of 4. You subtract numbers with fractions with like denominators. You can just subtract across the top. So I have to recognize that 4 is the same thing as saying 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4 plus 4/4. So that's the same thing. 4/4, 4/4, 4/4, 4/4. That's one whole, one whole, one whole, one whole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 4/4, all one whole, and I'm going to move it over here to my fractional column. I'm going to cross that out because I no longer have 4 wholes. I now have 3 whole units and 4/4 of another unit, which is another whole, which is naming it something different. So, sneaky textbook makers. So 4/4 minus 1/4. Now I can just subtract my numerators. 4 minus 1 is 3. Keep my denominator of 4. And now subtract my whole numbers. 3 minus 2, 1. So 4 minus 2 1/4 is the same thing as 1 3/4. Now, really, this is the best way to do it because any other way kind of gets really confusing if you're trying to change a 4 to an improper fraction. You still have to understand that this is what's going on here with the whole. So that's another thing that might come up that we're giving some of the kids hiccups. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if it helps. Let me know if it doesn't. But I'm proud of you guys. You're working hard. Keep going.